This is Peijaksentie 67, staircase C. In Koivukylä, Vantaa, Finland. And this is actually not far from Peija's hospital.
Let's do a quad.
Where we have been there to see original Semag 1989 elevators. Built in 1993, 4 persons, 395 miles. But this one is not as in as a good shape as the other ones.
That's true.
53224. What is the year here? It's been on something. I don't know when. The late 1990s, early 2000s probably.
Yeah.
But it's still
late
there.
90s.
Late 90s, yes. The inspection mark. But there is another one next time this year, 2019.
Yeah.
This
It's
one-
load vandalized.
Yeah, and this one has only 5 floors. It's vandalized and they should fix these walls.
That's true.
Maybe just by putting a white new paint on them.
Yeah.
They could do that. Then this would be like in prime shape.
Yeah.
So all these are so ugly, these texts.
Hmm.
You think 1 rent's enough or?
Yeah, I think I'm satisfied.
Okay.
Alright.
It's probably late 1993, but in 94 I have to check that out.
Spektigt på, jag spektant med en tänk på skillnad.
Yes. Today is the 5th of August 2019. That's it.
That's it.